Here's what a hole looks like. Here's what a hole looks like when the coyotes are digging for, I'm not sure whether it's mice or crawdads, but notice how irregular it is. It's not that perfectly round little hole that everyone thinks about. But we have a lot of crawdads right in through here. I'd really like to put a set right there, but I'm afraid because there's a log cabin right over there, and I know they have a dog, and I'd hate to catch a dog in these MB650s. Well, onto the line.